So if you want a different way of sharing Google Sheets rather than downloading the Excel file, you can Google search Google Sheets. If you don't have it readily available, click go to Google Sheets. You've probably already done this part when you're working on Google Sheets, because you've already got the file, copied and pasted using those videos that I make to try to help out with completing the Google Sheets assignments each week. So once you get your file, you got a bunch of data, you got some spreadsheets that you want me to see, you can go over here to share. And then the other important thing would be signing in, okay? Because Google needs a way of saving this. So I'm already signed in to isaac.w.raymond@gmail.com. If you don't have a Google account, it's a quick one. You can put in a fake name if you don't want Google to have all your information too. It's quick to make the Google account. Once you are signed into your Google account, it'll automatically always save as you're working so that your stuff exists online. So no computer crashing can affect you. It's automatically saved. So signing in also lets you share. Okay, so you can click this button in the top right corner to share it, and you could say week 5 Google Sheets. Oops. Give it a name, and then to share it with me, you could actually just click copy this link and send it. You could type in my email. That's my personal Gmail account. That's fine too if you want to use that. But you could click to change with anyone with the link, and then click copy, and then you have a link that you can paste in an email, right? So if you now right click and click paste, there's a copy of your Google Sheets address, web address. So like if I paste it up in my browser right now, which I'll move up so you can see, paste it up in the browser and hit enter, and it pulls up your Google Sheets no matter where you are. Even if you have a different browser, anybody can view it. Okay, so again, the big thing you want to click, sign into Gmail, then click share, and then what you really need to click is copy link. Okay, even if you don't edit those restrictions, if you hit copy link and you send me that link that's in your clipboard now, then you should be all set.